Most people see the sauna as a place to relax after a workout. But if you look at the biology, something much more intense is happening. When you step into that heat, you are placing your body under a controlled form of stress called hormesis. In 2026, we know that avoiding all stress makes you weak. The sauna is the ultimate shortcut to making your cells anti-fragile. Within minutes, your body begins a complex chain reaction that impacts your heart, your brain, and even your DNA. This is what is actually happening under the surface. Phase 1. The cardiovascular flash. The moment you sit down, your skin temperature begins to soar. To keep your core from overheating, your brain sends a signal to your heart to accelerate. Your heart rate can jump from 60 beats per minute to over 120. Your blood vessels dilate, a process called vasodilation, to move heat toward the surface of your skin. This massive increase in blood flow mimics the effects of a moderate jog. This is why the sauna is often called passive cardio. It flushes your system and improves the flexibility of your arteries, which is why regular users have a significantly lower risk of heart disease. Phase 2. The heat shock repair crew. As your core temperature rises, your cells begin to feel the pressure. This triggers the release of heat shock proteins. Think of these as a biological repair crew. Their job is to find proteins in your body that are damaged or misfolded and either fix them or clear them out. This prevents the buildup of cellular waste that leads to aging and disease. This process is one of the most powerful anti-aging shortcuts we have discovered. You are essentially deep cleaning your body at a microscopic level. Phase 3. The brain reset, BDNF. The heat does not just stay in your muscles, it crosses the blood-brain barrier. Heat exposure causes a spike in BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is often described as Miracle-Gro for the brain. It supports the growth of new neurons and strengthens the connections you already have. This is why long-term sauna use is linked to a massive 66% reduction in the risk of dementia. You are not just sweating, you are building a more resilient, sharper mind. Phase 4. The endorphin high. In the final minutes of your session, your body releases dynorphins. These chemicals initially cause a feeling of discomfort or agitation. However, they sensitize your brain to endorphins. When you finally step out of the heat and into a cool environment, you experience a post-sauna glow. This is a flood of feel-good chemicals that lower your cortisol and reset your nervous system. You leave the room with a level of mental clarity and calm that lasts for the rest of the day.